Hey guys, I just wanted to record a quick video for you and tell you, first of all, good job in week one. Also, there was a little confusion, not so much on your part, but as much on my part. There was two assignments that are generally due in the first week. Every other time we've had the class, they've been due in the first week. The introduction discussion and also the cost of foodborne illness discussion have both always been due the first week. Apparently with the changeover from iLearn Brightspace to iLearn Canvas, those two due dates got changed to September 29th. So in my wanting to be quickly getting your stuff graded, I went ahead and graded those assignments, not realizing the due dates. Then I'd sent out an email to several of you, or a message out to several of you that you had missed assignments because I was concerned because there was a lot of people that missed assignments. Well, it turns out that those people missed those assignments not because they were trying not to miss them, but because they didn't think they were due. So I went back in, I've changed all those zeros that I gave everybody that had not posted in there to a no grade. I'm going to give you till the 29th to finish those as originally shown in the calendar on Canvas. And also those of you that may have already gotten graded but dinged points because you did not give a response to a classmate, I will also go in and delete your score in there for now until you can have a chance to go in and respond to a classmate. So I apologize for the confusion. I was trying to be timely in my grading. I didn't look at due date because it's always been the first week, and apparently this time it wasn't the first week, so I apologize for any confusion. So hopefully everybody sees this. I also sent another follow-up email out to those who I had already messaged. So those two assignments are due on the 29th. We'll stick with the calendar. That's the fair thing to do, the correct thing to do. And I will grade those for you next week. If anybody has any questions, feel free to contact me. Send me messages through Canvas. You can email me. If you need more than that, let me know and we can set up a time to meet. Thanks for everybody's hard work, and sorry about the confusion.